What?
Charlie, I hear an airplane.
Can you kick? You know how to get that. What? You're funny. It's not. It's nice.
Good job swimming, Elena.
She goes. She's such a dork. She's spoiled with the cresciente.
I want to get up.
I don't know. You have to say the magic words.
I want to get up.
That's right. But first, we're gonna go.
Wow.
Look out, Elena. Careful, don't.
Go slow. Say
Whose
thanks for the ride, Dad.
Whose turn is it? Okay. You don't want to? Do you want to hop in? Do you want to jump in? When? Listen to her. Here goes Charlie, kicking. Oh no! You got Stearns too. She has yellow, you have blue. Okay. Good job.
Hey,
Good job.
Elena, hang on to Daddy. Hang on.
Honey. Good.
Look at Charlie swim. Charlie, can you swim all the way to the
Go
stairs?
down the stairs? Okay.
Charlie's swimming all the way to the stairs.
Oh, that's nice and warm. Do you feel this water right here? See the depth? Feel the